Hello guys, you are welcome back to this video. This is our third video, and in this particular video we are going to be writing our very first HTML code. So without wasting your time, let's create a folder on our desktop and let's give it the name of first HTML code. Now let's open this folder. So let's open this folder up and let's right click and create a new document, and we're going to create a text document. Let's give it the name index, and let's remove this .txt and write .html. Save our work. It will ask us whether we are sure we want to change the file name extension. Let's agree to that. Yes. All right. So now that we've created our very empty HTML document, let's open it up in Notepad, which is a text editor I explained about earlier on. So let's right click on this HTML file and we are going to open it with Notepad. So now let's close this, but before that let's also open this HTML file in a web browser. Let's use Google Chrome. Let's right click and let's open it with Google Chrome. So let me minimize this, and now let's close this window and let's increase the height. Also, let's increase the height of our Notepad text editor. Alright, so I have my browser on the left and then I have my text editor on the right hand side. So we can see that we have not started writing any HTML code. Now, before you start writing an HTML code, the first line of code is called the doc type. We call it the doc type. It is that tag or element that defines the document type and also the version of HTML you are going to be using to create your web page or website. All right, so let's have our angle brackets, and inside here we are going to have an exclamation sign and then the word doc type, which is short for document type. And document type, we are going to give it HTML. So save our work, and when we refresh the browser, nothing is going to happen because this line of code here only tells the web browser the type of document to expect. All right, now after the document type, the next code we are going to have, or the next element we are going to be writing, is the HTML element. That is where all our HTML code is going to be written in. So we are going to have our opening HTML code, and also we are going to have our closing HTML code. So this tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of the document head, which is represented by the head element or head tag, and also the document body, which is represented by the body element or body tags. All right, so in this HTML element or HTML tags, what we are saying is that we can have another tag. Sorry for this. So we can have another tag, and this tag is called the head tag. It also has a closing head tag. So let's have our closing head tag. Save our work. Now the head tag represents the document's header. Now this head tag can also take a tag like the title tag. So as we can see here, let's go back to our web browser, and over here you can see that there's something written, index.html. Now I'm going to navigate to Facebook, so let's go to www.facebook.com, enter. Okay, so look at what is written here, Facebook-login or sign up. This is the title of this website. So the title tag normally is written inside the head tag. So we are going to have a title tag, which is made up of an opening title tag and then a closing title tag. So inside here we can also close and write we can write Facebook, and we can have dash login. And when we save our work and then refresh our browser, you can see that now it is written here, Facebook dash login. So this is what the title tag does for us. It is the title of your web page or website, and that is normally written inside your head tags. So let me remove this empty space. And next, we are going to have our body tag or body element. So that one too has an opening body tag, and it also has a closing body tag. So let's save this. Now inside this body tag, that is where most of the HTML elements are going to be written. And I'm going to say this here. If you look at the white space inside the web browser, that is where everything that is written in the body tag or body element is going to be rendered. But whatever is written inside this head tag, apart from the title tag, will never be rendered. It will never be shown. It is only the title tag that gets shown at the top here. Alright, so inside our body tag or body element, we can have tags such as let's say heading tags, and they start from heading 1 up to heading 6. We'll be looking at all that later. So we can have something like let's have a heading 1 tag which has an opening heading 1 tag, and then also a closing heading 1 tag. So inside this heading 1 tag, anything we write is going to be a heading. So for example, let's say our first HTML heading tag. So let's save our work and reload the browser, and you can see that we have our first HTML heading tag. Now we can also have a paragraph tag which starts with an opening paragraph tag and then a closing paragraph tag. And inside here we can say something like, if you are enjoying these videos, then please subscribe to the channel. So let's put a full stop and let's save our work, and we have to reload the browser every time, and you can see that we have a paragraph tag. So we can have different kinds of tags within the body tag or body element. But what I'm saying is that any element or tag that is written within the opening and closing body tag, that is what is going to be rendered in the white space over here. But any code that is written in the head tag, apart from the title tag, will never be rendered in the white space. It will only be written at the top here if it is the title tag. So in this particular video, we learned about the basic structure for an HTML document, which is basically made up of the doc type, which tells the browser the type of document to expect. And we also said that every HTML document starts with an opening HTML tag and it ends with a closing HTML tag. And inside the HTML tags, we are also going to have a head tag and then a body tag. The head tag contains information about our HTML document, and it can also take a tag for the title of our HTML document. And also our body tag is the tag or element that contains all the information that is going to be rendered inside the web browser. So basically that is going to be all for this video, and if you have any questions about this particular video, or you have any additions or subtractions about this particular video, please be kind enough to leave them in the comment section below. Now in the next video, we are going to start looking at some of the wonderful tags that we can use in the body tag, and I can't again wait to see you in that particular video. Bye.